How to change home address in your Life360 app account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Life360 app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Now, in order to change your home address, you need to go to your settings first. Here in the screen, at the top left corner, you can see the settings gear icon. Tap on it. Now choose this location sharing option. Now in the right hand side of your profile, you need to make sure that location sharing is enabled in your profile. Now you can go back. In this screen, if you scroll it to the bottom, here you can see the places option. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see this add your home option. Tap on it. You can choose your home location over here. You can set it from the map, or you can enter the address over here. You can type your home address and select from the list. Once you get the exact address, you can tap on the save button at the top right corner. And there you go. That's how you can easily change your home address in your Life360 app account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.